Hi, this is Mike Maloney, and I'd like to share a very unusual chart with you. And what makes this chart so unusual is this is the very first time that I've shared personal business data. This chart is generated from my own business, and this is simply the number of Bitcoin to bullion transactions that we've made, where people are purchasing precious metals using Bitcoin. And a lot of you would say, well, that's because you came out with episode 8 of Hidden Secrets of Money. But episode 8 came out right about here. And so this trend started long ago. And what this is crypto investors beginning to diversify. Gold and silver can be looked at sort of like a savings, but I can also prove that they are undervalued right now. There's sort of a floor underneath them. The downside risk is not that great. Cryptocurrencies, any crypto investor knows that it's a wild ride. They're very volatile, and they go up and down, big swings. And there have been enormous gains, just massive in the past few years. It's created many, many cryptocurrency millionaires and even billionaires. And some of those have started to convert something that, there's a lot of people saying that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are in a speculative bubble right now. And that may or may not be true. I have no idea. I don't know how to measure cryptocurrencies because they have no history yet. I do know how to measure gold and silver, and I know that there's a floor underneath them right now because they're down near mining costs, and there's 5,000 years of history of valuations where I can measure it against an economy, against the size of the currency supplies, and against other asset classes, but especially mining costs. If something's costing more to dig up and sell than you can get for it, then it's undervalued. Yet there's a potentially huge upside because there's going to be a crisis someday. The things that are happening right now are not sustainable. There's always a recession. This is coming. We're in the second longest economic expansion in history right now and way, way overdue for a recession. And then, any problem anywhere in the world now causes a problem globally. All economies are linked. If the Australian real estate bubble pops, or if the Chinese real estate bubble pops, these things will sweep around the world, and you'll see another global recession like we had the global financial crisis of 2008. And back then, gold and silver took off like a rocket. And I think that this time around, you're going to see gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies take off like a rocket because they are the alternative investments. They're outside the financial system, and people buy them for the same reasons. So, anybody thinking about investing in precious metals, though, you want to learn as much about the things you're investing in as you can before you invest in them. So if you click the info card, I'll send you a free copy of my book, and in there's a chapter called Beware of the Pitfalls. And a lot of people would benefit from reading that first. So even if you buy from another dealer, please read my book first. It's free. And then, I'll keep you updated on the trend on these Bitcoin transactions because this is an important indicator. Until then, the best of luck to you, and thanks for listening.